Hi, in case you don't know me by now, I'm Wendy. I was born and raised in South Africa, where I met my high school sweetheart and now husband. Soon after getting married, we moved to Chibuti, Zimbabwe, and more recently made the move to the capital city, Harare. During this last year, we went on a few travels to Lake Kariba, Cape Town, and back to our hometowns in South Africa, more recently over the December holidays. Which brings us back to now. Welcome back and happy 2025. As you probably saw in the intro, we have now moved to Harare. So we're in a new space, and with that, I wanted to set up a new pottery studio area or pottery corner, whatever you may call it. You can see a tiny little sneak peek in the corner there, but basically throughout this video, you're going to be seeing me making things for that area, setting it up, and making my first item there, which is a mug. So I hope you enjoy. Over the last few months, I was keeping all of my pottery supplies and tools and clay and everything in a semi-outside space. It was outside, but it had roof covering. So I took everything out and cleaned everything off, cleared the dust away, and reorganized everything into storage containers. Okay, so this is the Pottery Studio area setup. I've just put the workbench that I made and clear tubs underneath for storage of tools and underglazes, glazes, clay, or whatever else I would need. A plant in the corner for aesthetic and a vase on the table. I just picked some flowers from the garden to put in. Those planks are actually for shelves, but we're renting at the moment, so yeah, not sure if we can put those up, but I'm just going to leave those there for now. Yeah, super simple, but it's all I really need for now, and I'm excited to get back into making pottery. This is how the mug turned out. I'm just going to wait for it to dry fully before painting and glazing it, but that will be in the next vlog. For now, that's it for the day. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy these few clips of my niece's first birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Annie. Happy birthday.
Let's put this.
Qualify.